Hello everyone, welcome to today's TechGoodReads. Today I will talk about create AWS infrastructure by code using CDK. First, let's understand what is infrastructure as code. Suppose you want to build a laneway house. You have design and the builder will use 1 or 2 months to build that laneway house. In recent years, 3D printing has been invented, and this technology already have some new innovations to building a house. Such a laneway house can be built by the 3D printing in just 3 days. I'm sure this will impact the future, how we build such houses. The similar situation also happens in the software, and we create infrastructure as code. If we define all the infrastructure or the design as the code, then we can automatically manage and provision the technology stack. Using the code to manage the infrastructure has the following benefits. You only need to write once and reuse many times. Developers have a visibility of the configuration changes, and they have ability to roll back. We can set up and configuration tasks automatically, and then we can also apply the best practice on the security. And last, we can abstract common infrastructure patterns and use in the other infrastructures. In the AWS, CloudFormation is such a tool to help you to build the infrastructure. It provides languages to describe AWS infrastructure, the language including JSON and YAML. Having such a resource and templates, you can upload it into the S3, and after that, you can use CloudFormation to build those resources automatically. In this way, you can maintain your infrastructure in Devo, in prod, and all the building process will be automatically created by the AWS CloudFormation. For the CloudFormation, it's a good tool. However, it only uses JSON or YAML to describe resources, so it's not flexible if you want to abstract the infrastructure. AWS CDK is a real code environment. It provides an integrated method for you to maintain those code and infrastructure. Except the benefits of the CloudFormation, it also provides a higher level abstraction, and CDK is easy to share, and the good thing is that it's available in a variety of languages, including TypeScript, Java, Python, etc. You can use your preferred language to write such a CDK infrastructure. After you writing the code, you can use CDK command line to compile it, and it will build a CloudFormation templates. We can see that CDK also use CloudFormation to do the real thing. And then you can use CDK to execute the CloudFormation, and then it will create a real infrastructure in the AWS. Let's see a CDK example. In the CDK, we have 3 main concepts. One is app. It's a collection of stacks. Stacks is a set of resources as a single unit, and each stack can be mapped to one CloudFormation template. And in each stack, it contains several constructs, and each construct is a resource defined in the CDK. So in this code example, we can see that we define one app and also one hello Fargate stack, and in that Fargate stack, we contains VPC construct. We may also contains other resources. This code is easy to maintain and also is very flexible to adapt to your environments. Maybe this VPC used in this Fargate example, and in the future you can use this VPC in the other environment. After having the CDK code, then you can use command line to do the real work. One is CDK things, and this command line builds the CDK code into the CloudFormation templates. You can verify if those CloudFormation templates is correct, and then you can use CDK deploy that command line to deploy the CloudFormation templates into the AWS environment. CDK make our infrastructure more flexible, more maintainable. Thank you for watching. This is Chinese. See you next time.